What's up, everybody? There's a lot of Harleys here. Found the only other sport bike here. We're going against traffic because the police blocked the road for us. This is Hudson's Hero ride. Just donated for a good cause. But it's cool seeing everybody out here and gathering together for something good, and actually riding in a group for once. Going a lot faster than I thought we were gonna go. There's like at least 50 bikers, but I don't know, there's a good bit. We got a police escort, you know what I'm saying? We out, y'all. Just thought I'd make a little video. I don't know, I thought it was something interesting, something a little different. That's all, dude. But yeah, if you don't know about Hudson's Hero ride, you should look up Hugs for Hudson. I don't know the full story right now. I read about it, but I'm not going to try and recap it because I know I'll say something wrong. But it's a little kid who's about to have his second birthday, and he was told he wasn't going to live past his second birthday, and he wasn't going to walk or talk, but he did those things. And it's nice to get out here, donate to a good cause, and because of this, they're able to celebrate his second birthday, and I think that's awesome. But yeah, we're just doing like I think it was like 15 minutes down the road or something. I don't know exactly where it is, maybe more. But we're riding from Jasper to Ball Ground. I think people are stopped because they think it's a funeral because of the police escort, but we're celebrating life here. Look, we have a police escort, and because of him, we're going over the speed limit. I'm gonna have to do a citizen's arrest. It is a beautiful day. This is nice weather. And I thought with all the Harley riders, I was gonna get chastised for like showing up in jeans and a t-shirt. I got jackets in the bag, but I mean, most of these guys only have t-shirts on too, so, you know, whatever. Now the shoes on the other foot. The bikes are chasing the police. Saw it. Saw it. Oh, that's a lot of bikers going that way too. Woo, this is crazy. Oh, wow. Look at all these bikers. Oh man, it's Bike Central. Yeah, boy. Bike. Oh my god, there's so many. What are we gonna do? My hand's gonna get tired from holding out. Jesus. That's crazy. It is a beautiful day, but it is rather windy. I'm sorry if it's all like in my mic. Uh-oh, more police. It is crazy how many people are pulling over. I mean, that's a good thing about being down south is a lot of people do have respect, especially if they think it's something like a funeral. Like, they actually do pull over and get out of your way. I think that's nice. Except for this idiot. I'm just kidding. Well, I hope whatever you guys are doing today that you enjoy your day and you guys have an awesome time. I really don't know what else I'm going to do in this video, so I don't know if I should shut it off here or wait till we get back. But should I do an outro now? I don't know. I'm new to this. Don't judge me. Oh, that's a really rough pass on the road right there. This cop's got us cruising like 70 down this road. It's crazy. He fast. I think they're supposed to have food or something at the destination when we get there. I think it's a little church or something. So that'll be cool because I'm already hungry because I'm a little fatty boy. Maybe not on the outside, but my stomach is a fat boy. Does this road look familiar? This is where I do a lot of my motovlog intros at. Actually, this is where I end a lot of them too. I feel so out of place on my sport bike. Everyone has a Harley. Do the wave. Do the wave. What's up, dude? What's the etiquette? How close are you supposed to be to the other biker? I don't know. I don't ride in groups. I'm new here. Some people are like super close. Like the guys behind me are all riding like almost side by side. And then like the ones right in front of me are like all really staggered. So I don't know what to do. I don't know them, so I'm gonna stay kind of far. Is that right? I don't know. Like who's this idiot on the sport bike getting super close to us? That guy behind me got real close. He was in my blind spot. Yeah, I'm glad I got gas last night. That would have been bad. Running out of fuel like halfway through the ride. It's been 17 minutes. I think we're going somewhere that was only like 15 minutes away, but we definitely took the long route. The scenic route, if you will. I still can't see the end of the bikes behind me, and it's like a long straightaway, and they're still coming. There's so many. It's awesome that this many people got together. I wish more sport bikes would have showed up, but you know, whatever. Oh yeah, curvy. Oh yeah, sharp curves. I like these curves. I'm taking them super slow though, because Harleys can't corner. Just kidding. Some of these guys have been riding a lot longer than I've been alive, so I think they got me beat. Hit kills, DUI, don't do it. Yeah, don't kill people. Killing's bad. This is a really fun road. I do like it. I don't know what happened to that guy, but hope everything's alright. Maybe he just got bored. Coming up on minute 25 and 26. Still going. Oh, come on, really? Well, that was weird. Somehow we just let like 2 trucks and a dump truck get in front of us. Well, now I'm lost completely because I don't even see the other bikers anymore. That's not cool. I'm glad there's somebody in front of me. I'd be really out. I don't even know where we're going. Hopefully this guy knows where we're going. Oh, I want to pass. I want to pass real bad. Look at this road. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, and we can't pass. There's too many cars. Oh. Maybe we can after that big RV up there. Here we go. Woo, that was fun. Did a quick little hundo. Alright, I guess the other bikers may have passed. I think I see them coming up in the rear view. Oh, there they are. They're sport bikes. What's up, guys? What's up? Oh, look at that beauty. Woo-wee. Nice. Haven't been out here in a while. What's all that? City of Fairmount. We're in Fairmount. Fairmount, hey. Oh. Do Harleys have automatic blinkers? Or is it all bikes that have like the one-click thing and you have to put it back yourself? I know there's like kits, but I don't want to spend money for that, nor do I want to install it, nor do I care that much. It's not that big of a deal. I'll just look like an idiot if I leave it on. It's no big deal. I don't know why this guy's staying so far back. It's making me want to stay far back too. I don't know what's going on. And the guy behind me is like really far back. Am I being shunned? Did I do something wrong? Ow. I got hit with a rock. Coming up on minute 38. Wow. My camera's gonna die and I'm gonna run out of film before we get here. And to think I almost ended the video like 30 minutes ago. I don't know what happened to our police escort. I guess it's gone. Or he sped off and left us. He had more important stuff to do. There was a guy riding by with tinted windows. It's a joke. Calm down. I need to get my bike serviced, but they said they're like 2 weeks behind. And I don't know when they're gonna get a chance to get me in, but I hope it's soon. I don't wanna like keep going without servicing the bike when it's supposed to be serviced. Like, I know some people don't think that's a big deal, but like, I try to take overly good care of my stuff. For the most part. I might be hard on my toys, but I take care of them. I smell burgers. That was weird. I'm not having a heart attack, am I? Hello, tree branch. This is gonna take me forever and a half to edit. Oh my god. There's only a small group of bikers behind me, and I know for a fact there are a whole lot more. I don't know where they went. I think we lost them. This has been the worst ride in the history of rides. I'm just kidding. It's still a lot of fun. I like this. I've never really done anything like this before. I think it's coolio. Even though I don't know where we are at all right now. I'm lost. Coming up on minute 49. If I still have film, I would like to say I love you guys, and I'll catch you next time. Always remember, if you get a chance to do a charity ride like this, do it. It's awesome, and you're helping a good cause. Oh, I think I know where I'm at now. Woo! Nah, it's not good. Oh yeah, I know where we're at now. I don't even think I have film right now, but oh well. I have a pretty small SD card in there. Are we running this? Are we running it? Woo! Alright, well that's where we started. I don't know where we're going now. We lost our escort like an hour ago. It's almost been an hour actually. This will test how much this SD card can hold at 2.7K. I'm not sure what's going on with this line either. We keep all switching sides and whatnot. I think me and the other sport bike are messing it up, passing people and stuff. I'm just lost in the sauce. Hope you guys have an awesome day though, and enjoy this randomly put together video that I created, if I even had the patience to go through it all and really edit it. Peace out, guys. Hey, I think we made it. We got lost, I think. I don't know what really happened there. We made a big circle and then another weird circle, and then I don't know what happened. But we're here, and there's a bounce castle, so that's cool. Oh, my legs. Oh, peace out, guys.